do this. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so basically, the idea is to just show you how this thing is very powerful. Okay, so I want to get in here. So basically, when you join, the first website that you will be able to get is called im.center, im.center, which you will have a login. You log in into the center. And basically, I think I mentioned that earlier. You will get the training, the standardized training, which is here. All right, maybe I can just click on it. You see. So you will go through the training. Okay. Right now, in fact, what I am really suggesting you start with is this one called high frequency trading. So when you click on that, it shows you down here. Let me just scroll this. It shows you down here the series that you go through. So what is HFX? What is traded? So you go through these lessons here. They are very short videos, by the way. As much as they look that there are many, they are very short videos, and you should be able to finish them within a day or two. Okay. So you finish this this training. Now, the other thing that I want to show you briefly before I come to what I wanted to show you today is what we call strategies. Now, strategies, on the left here, I've clicked the left-hand side here. In fact, when you come here, you see this pop-up that has come. This pop-up gives you some explanations of what you will get inside here. So in fact, they have made the thing very user-friendly. So whenever you come in here, you are able to see there are handbooks here that can take you through HFX, Forex, ECX. I have not even talked about this company is so big, all right? We are not only talking about Forex, it talks about high frequency, which is binary, which I really want you to really pay attention to. And then ECX is actually e-commerce, being able to sell things online. DCX is being able to trade cryptocurrencies. So that's also very powerful. Now, what I wanted to show you here briefly, of course, is the tools that you will be able to use. So when you are doing high frequency, you will come to high frequency here, and the tools that you have are all these tools here that you can see, Liberty, Freedom, Hourglass, and so on. You will finally later on come and know how they are used. Maybe I can click one of them and you can just see how it looks like from the inside. So basically, it brings you to this particular the strategy. Now, what is a strategy? It is something that will help you. It's like a scanner. It will help you to identify which particular currencies to trade immediately that are ready to be traded, and actually give you entry points and so on, especially when you are trading now high frequency trading. So this is actually what it does. This is USD against Canadian dollar on a 15-minute, and you could enter a trade here. In fact, it shows you where you are to enter the trade, and you would have cleared that trade very nicely when you sell that for 15 minutes and so on. When you click a different currency like Euro USD, it also shows you your entry point and how you will benefit from that and how you will make money with that. So you can see the entry was here and so on and so forth. Now, and then all these are actually different strategies designed to do different things in the market that you want to trade. So the company has actually developed all these are different softwares, okay? If I could click any one of these levels, for example, it would bring you to a different, you can see it's bringing me to a different whatever, advanced, wait a minute, proceed to levels. Okay, secure and secure. I think it's taken me, this thing has taken me to the wrong place. This thing has taken me to the wrong place here. I'll come back. I'll come back to that. Let me go back. Let me go back here because I want to move very fast and show you what I wanted to show you. Okay. So the most important thing on this platform, after you have gone through your training, is what we call Go Live. Now, Go Live is now where you every single day you log in onto the platform and you trade with the top traders in the world. Okay, so they will come on screen and you can trade with them live every single day. That means you are not even the one analyzing the market. They analyze for you and tell you right now, enter this trade. Right now, enter this trade. Right now, enter this trade. Now, that is the most powerful thing. And now I want to show you live lessons, live trading period when these guys were trading and you could have traded with them and made money with them. Now, so in fact, this particular platform is in different languages. Okay, you can see the number of languages here: French, Polish, Nini, even Somali is here. I think I can see Somali language was somewhere here. Can't see it here, but it's somewhere. I think one of the languages that has come. But let's just look at English. They also rate the presenters according to how many people log into their sessions. This lady has 98,000 people viewing her trades every single day. This lady here has 76,000, 57,000, 44,000, 35,000, and so on. So they rate them, but there are more than 150 of these top traders you can trade with every single day. Now, look at the high frequency, how many people are here. This is high frequency, this is high frequency, this is also high frequency. Now, I want to tell you something very interesting. This gentleman here, this one called Matthew Thayer, okay, Matthew Thayer. Yeah. He started with $500 2 years ago. $500, which in Kenya shilling, that's about 50,000 Kenya shillings. Within 6 months, he already had more than $140,000. That is about 14 million Kenya shillings. From 50,000 Kenya shillings, he had 14 million. In 1 year, he had grown that to $1 million. That is 100, yes, that is 100 million Kenya shillings from 50,000. Trading HFX, and that's the one that I'm talking about, HFX. And he was doing that on screen while everybody is looking and seeing what the trades that he is entering. And if you had entered the trades just the way he was entering, you would have grown your account exactly the same way. Do you know how much he now has, which is 2 years now, 2 years since he started? Last week, his account was $2.4 million. $2.4 million. Now, that's not even the guy I want to show you right now. Now, so when you come to the Go Live, when you click for FRX, you will see the schedule of the FRX traders. Now, I want to go to HFX because that's where I want to show you. So when you click high frequency, and I've clicked now this high frequency right now, so it has loaded. Now, it gives you now the schedule every single day. Who are those who are coming on, okay, at what time? So this one is what time they are coming on, Monday through Thursday, and this is the time. Actually, this 12 p.m. Eastern time is actually 7 p.m. o'clock our time. So in fact, she was there about a few hours ago. That's almost 2 hours ago is when she was on, and she was calling trades. I could actually click for you her session and show you that, but because of time, and I have another meeting at 9, I want to take you straight to this gentleman here. Now, this gentleman is almost the one who has trained almost all these others, except this one here. This one is also a very good trader called Evan Capral. He has also been there for quite a while ago, and most of these others are new, okay, and they have made significant money in trading HFX. Now, I want to show you about this gentleman here called Nes Vagis. Okay, I don't know even how to pronounce that name. It's Chinese. So this is now his live session. Now, the interesting thing about the live session is that they are all recorded. So you can actually view them again anytime. Like now, if I just want to rewatch this particular session that he had on the 26th of February, which is a bit long ago, I can rewatch it here. But what I want to show you, this is the trading that he traded. This was on second. Today is when? Today is 6th. So just about 3 days ago, 3 or 4 days ago. That's this one. And then this one he traded on 2nd also. All right. I think I'll play this one, but before I play that one, there's one that I really want to play. I want to play this one here, which he traded on the 25th, and this is the exact time. He normally comes on around 5 a.m. our time. I think you can sacrifice and wake up at 5, and you only trade for about, you can see his sessions last not more than an hour. It's less than an hour. So within that time, you can actually trade with them and see. So let me play this particular video here and show you a few things about how he traded on that day. Just a few trades that he did. Now, before I even move on, high frequency, you trade for a very short time. Now, these trades lasted only 1 minute. Only 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yes. And he was placing his trades, and his trade was $250,000. Now, how much is $250,000? That is 25 million Kenya shillings for a single trade. And when he wins that trade within that 1 minute, he will have made $175,000 in profit in 1 minute. That is 20 million.
1 minute.
That is 20 million he will have made in 1 minute. And just see him win right now. He placed these trades, and that is what he won. And how many trades were they? They were 5 of them. Let me stop it right there. How many are they? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 20 is 100 million in profit that he made in 1 single minute. And that's it. Let's just see that complete. And then I want you to see on top here his balance on his account. Right here on the top right hand corner, I want you to see the figure that will appear here at the right top corner. I want to just, are you seeing that figure right there? I want to stop it now. This is his balance in his account. How much is that?
That is $5 million.
That is $5 million. Now, let me tell you, the first time this guy has been trading for about 3 years. The first time he hit 1 million is 1.5 years ago. When he made his first 1 million trading on this same platform. He hit his first 1 million after about 3 years, and that is about 2 years, 1.5 years ago. Within that 1.5 years ago, he has grown his account to $5.3 million. Yet, he has also been withdrawing and using, of course, the money that is there. He's quite a very rich guy right now. So, and I've shown you how he has just won 100 million in 1 minute. 100 million in 1 minute. And this is a live session, and you could have traded with him and placed the same trades. Okay, yours could be a smaller size, depending on how yours go and so on and so forth. So that's what I wanted to show you about this particular video. All right, I wanted to show you about this particular video. Let me stop that one. Let me show you the next one. And you see, the beauty about this is that all his trading sessions are recorded. All his trading sessions are recorded. The same day, because these are just clips of the trades that he put. All right, these are the same day. Actually, if you check the time, it's the same. Now here he placed 13 trades. All right, these are 13 trades of 25,000 each. That's 2.5 million Kenya shillings. 2.5 million Kenya shillings, almost 2.6, 2.7 there, because this $25,000 you multiply by 100, that is about almost 3 million. And for each one of them, he was making approximately 2 million Kenya shillings, and there are 13 of them. So he has 13 times 20 is what? 13 times 20 is how much? 13 huh?
20, 26. 13 times 20.
Yes.
260.
260 million. Or no. 13 times 20, so 13 twice is 20 is 24. Sorry, it's 26. Yeah, around 26. So we are saying about 25 million. So he has made 25 million Kenya shillings in 1 minute. You can see these trades lasted for exactly 1 minute. Let me continue to play so that, yeah, actually, if I stop there, sorry, let me just rewind kidogo. Here, I think it's somewhere here. Sorry. Let's play again. Let me stop it exactly there. Yeah, if you count these are 13 trades and he was making about 20 million each, and there are 13, and so that's 26 million plus the other one that we had said, the $250,000, which was 20 million each times 5. That's what he made in a single 1 minute session in this high frequency. And I have told you the learning curve in this particular way of trading is much simpler, much faster than the normal Forex. Okay, it's a bit risky, but if you learn exactly how to do it, you crack the code very fast. So that's what I wanted to show you about this type of trading. Let me do this. Let me go here. All right. So
you say
let me
he puts it in the